has hinted at a potential cut to capital expenditure. Government sources have said that states have been asked to utilize unspent funds before seeking any additional money. Sapna standing by now with details. Sapna, we have seen Capex being at record highs, but sustainable in the medium to long term?
I think the overall message that's coming out from the central government is one of fiscal prudence at this point in time. First, states have been told to make sure that they utilize their idle funds, take stock of their idle funds, and make sure that all the unspent money is first utilized before they ask for additionality from the central government. That's one. Second, working on debt levels, bringing it down. Of course, that's more of a long-term goal, but keeping in mind what the finance minister said, that we should not be profligate and leave a debt burden for future generations to pay off. So that's something. But however, on that front also, the government will not have too many options except for tweaking expenditure at some point in time. The third, of course, is very strong and solid, and that is basically the central government may not be able to keep up the high pace of Capex that they have done in the last 2 odd years. So if you look at the numbers, FY22 under 6 lakh odd crore worth of direct central government Capex, that number stands at 10 lakh crore in this budget. We'll have to wait and watch and see how the RE numbers pan out. But this is something that the central government is now beginning to indicate that it may not be possible to sustain this high level of Capex, basically meaning that the private sector should step in. Last but not the least, however, as far as the current financial year is concerned, they do expect to remain within the food subsidy budget. Some additional allocation for Manrega may be feasible, but within the fiscal limits. And last but not the least, central government is still sticking to the 5.9% fiscal deficit aim for this financial year.
Sapna, many thanks for joining us.